Good afternoon and welcome to the December 5th edition of Success by Association Live. This issue is sponsored by the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences and Jordan Price Law Offices. We thank them for their steadfast support of AENC. Today's article was written by Andorra Gandhi and is reprinted with permission. The article is titled 6 Steps to a Win-Win Solution. To be successful in conflict resolution, you need to have a win-win outcome. The thought of working through a conflict face-to-face is terrifying for most. I get it. But having strategies up your sleeve to diffuse and resolve conflict can be a true asset for the growth and success of your business, not to mention the satisfaction and productivity of everyone involved. Here are 6 of my go-to ways to make a win-win conflict resolution more possible and less painful. Number 1, say thank you. It is the most magic words for a reason. Thanking another person for being willing to work with you puts everyone more at ease. Now they know you're listening to them and you want to come to a solution that works for both of you. For example, thank you for meeting with me today to talk about utilizing Michelle for administrative work in the afternoon. Or, thank you for taking time to further discuss a challenge we are facing. Number 2, state your understanding. It's vital to let the other person know that you either understand or are attempting to understand their challenge, so you can partner with them in solving the problem. Here are some of the most effective ways to do this with examples. The first example, empathize. Try to get to the heart of the matter, but be sensitive to the parties involved. For example, from my understanding, Christy will be out on maternity leave, and leaving the phones open will be detrimental to the business. The second point, confirm. Is this correct? Note, it is your understanding that is correct. You've laid a good foundation to easily resolve the conflict. If it is incorrect, ask them to clarify rather than rephrasing over and over again until you get it right. The third, ask questions. This is how you can gain insights into their interests, needs, and concerns. This will make collaboration and a win-win resolution far more possible. For example, what are the hours that someone is needed? How will this help you and your team? What might happen if Michelle can't help? The third step for a win-win solution is address your concerns. Once you're clear on the other person's concerns, make sure you express your own. This is the only way true collaboration and a mutually beneficial solution can be attainable. For example, Michelle's working on several projects right now, and she already leaves at 4 every Thursday and Friday. She may fall behind on certain projects. Number 4, state the collaborative opportunity. Start by brainstorming process by suggesting a solution as a quote-unquote what-if question. Doing so puts concrete solutions on the table while still giving others a chance to chime in. For example, what if Michelle could help on Monday and Tuesday afternoon and 1 hour on Thursday and Friday? Number 5, ask for feedback. After suggesting a collaborative opportunity, quote-unquote, what if we, unquote, it is time to ask for your feedback to keep them involved in a process. It is a great way to remind them you have their interests in mind too. For example, how would that help you? Number 6, gain agreement and establish next steps. To wrap things up, agree on an option that has some positive benefits for both of you. Then list and delegate the necessary steps to keep the ball rolling. Don't forget to include a timeline to help with accountability and periodic check-ins. For example, great, I'd be okay with that. I'd like to discuss with Michelle first, but I believe we can make this happen. As long as she's on board, I can have Michelle help starting next Thursday. When you resolve a conflict, it's not just better for you and the other person, it's better for your team and your business as a whole. Starting off on a positive note and staying proactive and collaborative throughout the process is a sure way to set you up for a win-win conflict resolution. That concludes our article. We hope you have a wonderful day.